What's the meaning of colorize? Colorize. Colorize.
Colorize. Colorize. Colorize refers to the process of adding colors to a black and white image or video. The result is a new version of the original media which now includes color information. This technique is often used to revitalize old photographs or films, or to add an artistic touch to new footage. The colorization process involves analyzing the image or video to determine the most appropriate colors to use, then applying those colors to the various elements within the media. The final result is a vividly colored version of the original.